Today we are going to see how I can fix iPhone unavailable, whether you are using Chrome, Mac or Windows. You can use iTunes tools or 3U tools. Me, sometimes I prefer using 3U tools. The last iPhone 17 Pro Max flash. I think I was the first person to first flash the phone. I used the latest 3U tools and it worked out well. So if by any mistake you enter your password as iPhone password for several times wrongly, your iPhone will write iPhone unavailable. For the first time, it's going to give you some times which it will elapse. Then after that time, you will try your password again. If you try a wrong password, it will lock you out totally. Either I write iPhone unavailable or I write a security logout. Once your iPhone writes unavailable, there is nothing you can do but to follow this step which I'm going to show you. And that is to write another iOS to an iPhone. There is no two ways about it. If you don't have system, sorry, you can't do it. So if you are not good in tech, I will advise you not to try it. But if it's your phone, you can do it. So this iPhone equation, iPhone 11, writes iPhone unavailable. That's what I'm going to show you this step how you can bring it back. At the same time, you're going to flash it and also upgrade it to latest iTunes. So click on go to flash. I've already downloaded the file, the firmware or the iOS. I will import it now. If you don't know how to download it, check my videos. You're going to see how to download it there. So make sure you downloaded the latest one. Then click on flash. And I started flashing. What it's doing now is writing the latest iOS. So after writing the latest iOS, it will now bring you back to the initial setup of the iPhone. You ask for the password or the iCloud that was originally entered when the phone was being set up. Enter your iCloud and your password. The only way it cannot ask you for the iCloud is if you have signed out the iCloud. It's going to take time, so you have to relax and take a cup of tea. Make sure you don't shake the USB. You don't disconnect the USB from the system for no reason. And make sure your system is connected to internet while you are doing this. I also believe you know how to put your iPhone in a recovery mode. If you don't know how to put your iPhone in a recovery mode, you check other videos. It's on the description. And this particular phone equation, the volume button is having issues. So I have to maneuver a way how I put it in a recovery mode. There's no way you can put iPhone on recovery mode, especially most of the newest iPhone without the volume button. So you are done flashing the phone. So the next thing, you wait for it to boot, and then you set it up. It takes time to boot for the first time after the flash. For now, this is the only way you can fix a iPhone not available. Thank you. Please like and subscribe the channel, share the video with your friends. If you have any question, you can ask. Bye for now.